Good afternoon, hello, and welcome to this special webinar, this midweek market outlook and discussion on our open recommendations. I'm joined by my colleague Subash. Hello, Subash.
Good evening, Devarsh bhai, and good evening, everyone.
Right. So first, the flow of the webinar will be like this. First, Subash will take us through the outlook from the technical analyst perspective, and then I'll come in. We'll discuss about the open recommendations and recent recommendations which we have issued this week. So without further ado, over to you, Subash.
Yeah, let me first share my screen. Yeah, is my screen visible?
Not yet.
Now, is it visible now?
No, it is not visible. Let me give you try one. Let me try one more time. Wait. Try again now.
But I haven't got that button to show my screen. That
Close your iris first.
it is already closed. It is closed.
Are you able to do it now?
No, I need that link, no, to share my screen.
Yeah, it is there on your screen.
Now, can you see now anything?
No, we are not able to see your screen.
Okay.
Wait, I'll start the iris here and I'll show it too. 1 minute.
What do you say? Okay. But it should show. Why is it not showing?
Okay, by the time we sort out this technical problem, I'll just update you from my screen. So I'll first take
Nifty.
Yeah, so first I'll go through my presentation, and then by the time I'll request our technical team to solve this problem. Subash, you can by the time ask them to solve this problem. I'll take over my portion first. Okay.
Okay.
And if it doesn't get ready, then I'll show the technical charts here, and you can give commentary from there. So let's just start without wasting time. So over the last couple of months, from the month of May, we have been issuing aggressive recommendations, especially on the MTFE margin side. 103 recommendations have been booked. Recently, we have booked stocks like Gujarat, Indian Bank, and Laurus Lab, Rain Industries. On fundamental side, also more than 100 recommendations have been issued. Recently, we have booked stocks like Zen Technology and AGI Greenpack with returns of about 8% and 21%. Recently, we have issued 3 more fundamental recommendations: Zen Technology, GNA Excel, and La Opala. So on 710 to 730 is the range in which we are asking investors to look at Zen Technology for targets of 795 and 854. Another one, GNA Excel is there, which is from 458 to 470. Targets are 508 and 546. La Opala, it is at 436, where targets are 468 and 499. Apart from that, we have also issued couple of e-margin calls. Union Bank, Deepak Fertilizer, BAIL and APL Apollo. These are the ones which we have issued recently. And DISIP, on 21st of July, we issued a special report on DISIP in which 18 stocks have been recommended. These are the stocks which we are asking investors to look at for a longer term, gradually accumulate them. So this is what has been the recent recommendations from our side. Now I'll try one more time to go to the Subash. Subash, are you able to show your screen now?
I haven't been able to solve the problem yet.
So what I'll do, I'll just try to show the idea. Let me open the technical analysis software here, and I hope you'll be able to see my screen and comment. Are you able to see the screen, Nifty? Subash?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to use this screen and comment?
Yeah, I would like to do that.
Yeah. So can you see my screen now?
No, I cannot see your screen.
It should be visible now.
Not visible.
Okay, what I'll do, I'll just talk about it from my screen only.
Okay.
So what we saw today in the markets, the Nifty, it made a low around recent support zone of 19,600. Exactly, it made a low at 19,554 and rebounded. And we have been able to close above the last couple of sessions highs. So there is some kind of a rebound from an important support. In our weekly report, we have mentioned that there is a support near 19,600. So that support seems to be working right now. Compared to the Nifty, where we saw the lowest point in the rally this time on today. So if you were to see Nifty actually made a low of 19,550 odd, which is the lowest point of the rally, this correction. Nifty mid cap and small cap have been able to garner some kind of accumulation in last few days. Nifty small cap and mid cap have actually outperformed. The small cap indices made a lows on 22nd and 25th of September, and from there we saw some kind of accumulation, and today it has gone up by 0.75% compared to 0.3% in Nifty. Similarly, Nifty mid cap chart, if you were to see, Nifty mid cap made a low on 22nd of September. For last three sessions, it has been gradually seeing some kind of accumulation. Today also, it went up by 0.7% and closed at 40,640. Bank Nifty also has seen some kind of buying at the lower levels. We saw support coming in around 44,200, and Bank Nifty is managed to close around 44,600. So we have seen the first kind of recovery. Now we'll see how the international markets give us the cues tomorrow, and obviously we have the monthly expiry on 28th tomorrow for this month's derivative contracts. So it is going to be interesting. At lower level, we have seen some kind of support coming in. So at around 45,000 in Bank Nifty and around 19,800 in Nifty, we have seen some kind of resistance. So we are likely to challenge those levels. For more updates, please go through our daily report, in which we will be giving you short-term view for tomorrow. We'll also issue one more derivative strategy tomorrow in the morning. Today we could not see the because of the technical problem, we could not see the Subhash's screen. We sincerely sorry for that, and we'll try to do the dry run and try to solve this problem. Anyways, if you have any question, we'll take some questions now. Yeah, so the dollar index, Tanmay Patel has a question is outlook on INR versus the dollar index, and what is the outlook on dollar. So dollars index has rebounded and it has gone from lower levels to 105 kind of levels, so which is actually not very bullish for global markets, especially the emerging markets. We think that it is likely to find some resistance here and it should turn back. If crude oil or dollar were to rise from here, that would be a negative for Indian markets. So to those two variables, we will be able to we have to monitor them. If you have any question, you can put it in the question box and I'll try to answer them. All right, I think we don't have any questions left, so thank you all for joining and we'll see you next week. We'll end this webinar. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.